Hello y'all, Chef Jeffrey back with another video. Hey, I'm doing something today that y'all probably never ever seen in your life. I promise you, you never seen it online. Anybody do this. When I was growing up, my favorite part of the chicken, my mama would cook for me. You know, we kill our own chickens and raise our own chickens, and she would cut them up. And chicken backs was my absolute favorite piece of the chicken. It has that little muscle here in the side. It has these little fat pieces. I like that crispy skin to come up, and the little tail piece here, and then a little skin on the back, and it got a little meat up in there. That's the most flavorful part of the chicken. So I have, you can't hardly find in the supermarkets. I have a butcher that cuts them up periodically and cuts me like maybe 20 or 30 of them. And I keep them in my freezer. And I'll pick them up maybe once a month. And I just want to share this video with y'all. So I'm going to show you how I cook them, how my mom used to do them. First I'm going to season them here. Y'all know I use my Cabernet meat seasoning, salt and pepper. Put a little lemon pepper on here. Turn it over. Lemon pepper there. Cabinets there. You can use whatever seasoning you want. People always ask, what seasoning do I use? Whatever you like. There's nothing. I change it up all the time. Of course, it's always gonna be salt and pepper. Now, the next step I got here, I'm gonna dust it in flour. The reason I dust it in flour before I add milk to it, because I want to coat the seasoning on here. If I put it in milk and egg mixture first, all that's gonna go right into the milk. So I'm gonna do the flour first. Then I'm gonna get my milk and egg. I got one egg here and some whole milk. I'm gonna dip it in the milk here. Back in the flour. Get the other one here. Dip it in there. This also makes it so that thick, crispy, thick coating skin right there. So I'll shake it up here in the bag. Put it in there. I'm going to use my deep fryer today. Of course, you can use a skillet. Just throw it in my fryer. There we go. And we'll do the other one same way. I got two more here. Let's see out the way. Like I say, this just brings back memories. And I've been eating chicken back since I was swoosh. I can remember, 5, 6 years old. This is my favorite part of the chicken. And you can't find it in the store, but when they do cut chicken up, they don't do the back. They throw them away or something. I don't know what they do with them. Okay, again, dip it in the flour, in the milk and egg. Just in the same way. Make sure you coat it really good. Like I said, that gives it an extra thick coating on your chicken. You'll see when it comes out. Okay. Let's coat it up there. Throw that in the fryer. And one more. And that's it. Okay, we'll be right back here in about 10-15 minutes when it's ready, and we'll see how it is. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, it's almost ready here. Got about a couple more minutes. See how golden brown that is and how crispy that skin is getting. That's what you want. Like I said, you can do this in a cast iron skillet too, but I'm just doing it in the deep fryer here because I had so many to do. So, yeah, they almost ready. So, we'll be back here in about 5 minutes, and I'm gonna take them out of there, drain them on my rack here, and then we're gonna plate it up and have some good old school fried chicken backs. Can't get no better than this. Favorite part of the chicken. You can have the wings, you can have the breast, you can have the thighs, legs. I don't want that. Give me this. This is for all the flavor here. So we'll be right back, y'all. All right, y'all, we back. Okay, we're gonna take them out of here and put them in the, like I said, my pan here. Let them drain. Let the oil drain out of them. Like I said, y'all, it just get no better than this. It's very important you let them drain because it's got that cavity in there. You definitely want that oil to drain out of there. Make sure you put it the right side up, just like this. See that? I'm gonna let it sit there for about 5 minutes or so. We're gonna come back here. I'm gonna plate it up. I got me some cabbage here and some cornbread, even some banana pudding for dessert. So we got an awesome dinner tonight. So anyway, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we're gonna plate some of this up here. Okay, give me a chicken back on here. See how crispy that is. Like I said, I got me some cabbage here. Hey, it doesn't get no better than this, y'all. Put cabbage on there. Gotta go all old school here. Got me some cornbread here. Cornbread fresh out the oven, y'all. So still warm. I don't even know if it's gonna come up out of here. Still warm, y'all. Let's see if I can get it out of here. All right, here we go. And cornbread with that. Okay. Let's see here. Give me some hot sauce on here. Gotta have some hot sauce on that chicken, y'all. Gotta have some hot sauce on there. Even some pepper sauce on there. On the cabbage. Hey. Was all the case here, baby. All she wrote here. Okay, let's try this. Cabbage here. The recipe for the cabbage I posted a couple of weeks ago, a couple of days ago. Look at it. How crispy that skin is. See that? I love that. Wow. It's a meal here, y'all. Definitely a meal. I even got banana pudding. I got banana pudding too for dessert. Banana pudding for dessert. Old school. Hey. And the banana pudding recipe, it's online too. It's definitely online too. So actually, I'll put the link. Oh wow. To the video to banana pudding too. So this is a meal here, y'all. Chicken back, cabbage, or cornbread. Shoot, it's on. Anyway, please give this video a thumbs up. Please share. Please comment. Please follow my other social media accounts. Facebook, YouTube, of course. Instagram, Twitter, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day.